Breaking news, Gunma Prefecture. By Isesaki FM. Gunma Prefecture announced that there were 0 reported cases of whooping cough, pertussis, an infectious disease characterized by a severe, prolonged cough, during the week ending on the 22nd of this month. This is the first time there have been 0 reported cases since February of last year. Whooping cough was prevalent last summer, with over 200 cases confirmed in a single week in early August, bringing the annual total to 3,052, the highest number since 2018. Meanwhile, influenza is also prevalent in the prefecture, and although the number of patients has decreased for 5 consecutive weeks, it remains above the warning threshold.